shit right here. That's why I told you to watch out.
It's still in second place, but third still in the lead.
Big deal. There's 2 trucks, 2 pairs in the lead.
No way.
Dude, look, they're not even touching the mud barely. This is badass. Let's go forward! Dirty deeds. Dirty deeds. Alright, play